Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I have for you yet another delicious spread. Here I'll be showing you how to make a very simple peanut butter spread. So to the ingredients, I'll be using roasted peanuts, sugar, vegetable oil, salt and vanilla essence. The first thing I would do is pour the peanut in a blender and blend it until a paste is formed. Then I'll add sugar, salt, and vanilla essence. And some vegetable oil. I'll give it a good blend until a smooth paste is formed. Then the peanut butter is ready for use. You can decide to garnish it with crushed peanuts. You see, so simple, easy to make. Just get a very good blender and you'd achieve a very good result as well. So see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Bye.